May 19th, 2026, Google I/O Day, and they brought a flamethrower. Quick shout out to today's sponsor, GridTerm. Run multiple terminal sessions side by side. Perfect for Claude Code or Codex Power users. Gridterm.com, link in the description. Google just dropped Gemini 3.5 Flash, and it beats their own flagship Pro model on basically every benchmark. It's 4 times faster than other frontier models, and there's a juiced up anti-gravity version that's 12 times faster. DeepMind CTO Corey said this thing can autonomously build an operating system from scratch in internal tests. 3.5 Pro lands next month. Apparently, Pro is the orchestrator and Flash is the swarm of sub-agents doing the actual work. Speaking of big moves, Google just retired the search box. Yes, that search box, the blinking cursor rectangle you've used your entire adult life is gone, replaced by a multimodal AI input that takes text, images, PDFs, videos, even your open Chrome tabs. AI mode hit 1 billion monthly users in its first year, and queries are doubling every quarter. Liz Reed called it the biggest upgrade to the search box in over 25 years, and 10 blue links are officially an afterthought. Publishers are not having a great morning. But the craziest news today isn't even from Google. Andre Karpathy, OpenAI co-founder, former Tesla AI lead, the guy who basically taught the internet how transformers work, just joined Anthropic. He's working on pre-training under Nick Joseph, and Anthropic says he's starting a team to use Claude itself to accelerate pre-training research. Translation: Anthropic thinks the next frontier model gets built by the previous frontier model. Sam Altman cannot be having a fun Tuesday. Meanwhile, Google introduced Gemini Spark, a 24/7 personal AI agent that runs on its own cloud VM so you don't have to leave your laptop open. It reads your Gmail, your docs, your calendar, and just does stuff while you sleep. Spark plugs into Canva, OpenTable, Instacart, Spotify, Expedia, you name it. It's rolling out to Google AI Ultra subscribers in the US next week. And yes, this is essentially Google's pitch for why letting them own all your data was actually a brilliant long-term move. Anti-Gravity 2.0 also launched today, and cursors should be sweating. Standalone desktop app, new CLI replacing the Gemini CLI, an SDK for custom agents, and orchestration for multiple sub-agents working in parallel. Oh, and Google quietly dropped the AI Ultra plan from $250 a month to $200 and added a new $100 tier in between Pro and Ultra. When the trillion-dollar incumbent starts undercutting your pricing, that's how you know they actually care. Google also unveiled Gemini Omni, a new multimodal model that takes any combination of text, image, audio, or video and spits out a coherent video. The demo prompt was claymation explainer of protein folding, and it just made one with a voiceover. Omni Flash is live today in the Gemini app, YouTube Shorts, and Flow, rendering 10-second clips with personalized avatars. Every video gets a synthized watermark baked in, and avatar onboarding requires you to record yourself saying numbers out loud, which is delightfully cyberpunk. And then there's Universal Cart. Google built one shopping cart that follows you across search, YouTube, Gmail, and the Gemini app, tracks prices, monitors stock, and even flags compatibility issues if you're building a PC. Paired with the updated agent payments protocol, this is the setup for AI agents that buy stuff on your behalf within spending limits you define. Coming soon to a credit card statement near you, items you never knew you wanted, purchased by software you forgot was running. DeepMind also connected Genie, their world model, directly to Street View. 280 billion images across 110 countries are now a walkable, interactive simulation where you can change the weather, the time of day, and even the viewpoint. Waymo is already using Genie 3 to train self-driving cars on rare events like tornadoes and, yes, casual elephant encounters. With Street View added in, they can basically rehearse entire cities before launching. It's video game quality right now, but 6 to 12 months out from looking real. In the most wait, OpenAI did what news of the day? OpenAI adopted Google's synthized watermark. They're also signing on to the C2PA metadata standard and previewing a public verification tool to check whether an image came from one of their models. Synthid has now watermarked over 100 billion images and videos plus 60,000 years of audio. NVIDIA, Kakao, and 11 Labs joined today too. Cross-industry collaboration on AI provenance. Turns out it took 2 years of deepfakes nearly breaking elections to get everyone in the same room. And finally, Mistral made a move. The European AI lab acquired lens-based MEAI, which builds physics AI models for industrial engineering across aerospace, automotive, and semiconductors. Emmy's 30 plus engineers built architectures that scale neural surrogates to over 100 million mesh cells, which is a fancy way of saying their models can simulate jet engines and chip fabs in real time. Linz becomes an official Mistral office, and Europe just got a real industrial AI stack to point at. And one more reminder, check out today's sponsor, Grid Term, link in the description. That's the day Google ate everything Karpathy switched teams, and we'll see you tomorrow.